Hello! Good morning guys! Kamusta? Kamusta ang lahat? So guys, ang vlog natin ngayon lalabas ang ating pagka-artsy talent. Artsy talent. So, for our vlog for today, we're gonna make potholders. So yes, gagawa tayo ng potholders kasi yun ang ibibigay nating gift for Mama. Her birthday's coming up, so she really wanted to have an apron kapag nagluluto. Si Joy, niregaluhan namin ng sewing machine nung Christmas, and she already started making some other stuff. And ang ireregalo ni Joy kay Mama is yung apron, and ako naman naisip ko, why not make a potholder that goes with an apron, di ba? So, ako naman, it's my first time using this sewing machine. I'm excited. Sana hindi ko masira yung sewing machine ni Joy. So, wala nang MM. Let's start this one. Let's go. So this is the setup for this sewing machine for now. Temporary lang to. So right now, nandito siya sa guest room kasi wala siyang pwesto sa kwarto ni Joy. But we are planning to move it dun sa may office, and then we'll kinda like move around things dun sa office to make some space kasi mahaba naman yung doon, yung parang table niya. So what we'll need for this project is, of course, yung cloth. So I'm using two different cloth, and then we'll also need a batting. So ito yung lalagay sa loob ng in between ng cloth. And of course, we'll need a sewing machine and some threads na naka-ready na, nakapasok na doon yung mga threads niya. And also, we'll need scissors, or if you have a cutter like this, yan. We also need floating pin if you have, or it's easier if you have a clip. And also, you'll need some rulers or yung pangsukat. Yeah, this is very helpful guys, tong mat na ruler. So by the way, itong mga items na to, like yung cloth, yung table na ruler, or yung plate na ruler, itong cutter, I got all of this sa Joann's fabric. So yung Joann, it's similar to Hobby Lobby, but they have more fabric, they have more cloth, they have more stuff for sewing. They have more stuff for artsy side. So if you're looking for fabric and mga arts and crafts, so go to Joann kasi mas marami silang mga arts and crafts and fabrics. So I decided na itong brown na tela na to, ito yung magiging backing ko. Ito yung likod niya. So ito naman, itong tela na to, so ikakat natin siya ng 2 inches less dito sa tela na to. So kung ito is 10 inches, we're gonna cut this ng 8 inches. Okay? So now for our batting, itong super soft cotton layer natin, ang size na gagawin natin dito is same size as this. So, which is 8 inches. By the way, these are like 8 by 8. The other one is 10 by 10. I'm making 2 potholders. So nagcut ako ng 2 pieces each. So dalawa nito, dalawa for the batting. I'm gonna cut 2 more kasi each potholder needs 2 batting. Yan. Okay, so now paplansyahin muna natin to para wala siyang lukot-lukot. Okay? Okay, so ang gagawin natin ngayon is ipapagpatungin na natin itong so and then mag-start tayong mag-stitch from here. May X tayo. Gagawa tayo ng X na stitch. Ganyan. So yun sisimulan natin. Pero bago tayo mag-start ng mag-stitch, lalagyan muna natin siya ng mga pin para hindi siya gumalaw. Look, not bad for a rookie. Okay, so now we're gonna do this side. So we have to pull this back. Yun ang turo sa akin ni Teacher Joy. Okay. Uh-oh. I forgot to pull it back. Tumiklop na to. Okay, we gotta fix that one. Okay. Pa. So, hindi ko nahila itong part na to. So, kaya nakatiklop siya. So, unahin na natin itong tahiin. I-fold lang natin yan ng ganyan. And then another fold. Ganyan. But gusto kong planchahin muna para yung fold niya is mas maayos. Diba? Ang hirap. Ang hirap i-fold. We did this part already, so now ifo-fold na natin siya ulit. Tanggalin natin yung mga nakausli na sinulid. Ayan. So, ginawa ko, finold ko siyang ganito. I hope yung ibang side pwede ding ma-fold ng ganon. Yan o. Tinriangle ko. And then fold. And then fold again. Like that. And then planche natin. Naku, gumigilid na. Need to move it. Wala sa tela. Okay. Wala sa tela. So, yung etong strip na ginawa natin kanina, ipipin ko na siya kasi baka makalimutan natin na ilagay tapos magdire-diretso yung tahi natin. So instead na dito ko sa gilid ilalagay ko siya dito sa gitna. Alright guys, so natapos na din. Look at that. So, i-clean lang natin yung mga nakausling mga sinulid. Yan. Here you go guys! Oh my gosh! I'm so proud of myself. Look at that. Oh, ang cute niya. Oh, wow! Not bad for a rookie. And then yung mga stitching niya, look, oh, yung dito neat siya. Pero pagdating sa mga gilid, well, yung this gilid is okay naman, look, oh. It's not that bad, right? And when it comes to yung this one, yung kasi tinahikot to dito sa gitna, hindi maganda yung part na yan. But that's okay. So, ano lang naman tayo is baguhan. So, I think this is good for baguhan. Yan. Okay, so now, we're gonna do another one because, so kasi dalawa nga yung i-gift natin kay mama. Dalawang potholder. Okay? Let's go! Let's do one more! Ayan na ang ating pot holders. Guys, I did it! Yay! I'm so happy, guys! I'm so happy! Nakagawa ko ng pot holder. First time kong gumawa ng pot holder at first time kong gumamit ng sewing machine. There it is, Mother. I hope you like my pot holder. Anong Tagalog dun? Yung tailor. Ang hirap palang maging tailor. Mahirap siya. Okay. So, yung plan ko na pot holder, I want to make something like yung ganon, yung mittens na pot holder. But I think that's a little bit ambitious. Kasi, I'm just starting, like, alam mo yun, nasa learning process pa lang ako ng nasa learning process pa lang ako ng paggawa ng pot holder. Kaya, right? Too ambitious. So, naalala ko yung lola ko dati. Yung lola ko, si Lola Tinay, meron siyang yung sewing machine. Yung lumang sewing machine. Yung bakal. Tapos di pedal. Naalala ko siya dati nagaganito. Pero hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga ginagawa niya dati doon. I think mga kortina, ganun. But I think it's kortina. Kortina yung ginagawa niya dati. But yun lang. Naalala ko lang yung lola ko. Kasi yung sewing machine niya is antique talaga. Ganda. Okay guys, so that's it for our vlog today. I am very impressed sa sarili ko and so proud na nakagawa ako ng isang pot holder kahit na it's a simple pot holder na nagawa ko. So like I said, that's gonna be part of my mama's gift and abangan nyo ang kanyang birthday celebration. Ipa-vlog ko yon. We're gonna eat somewhere and of course we're gonna do a photo shoot for her 70th birthday. So abangan nyo yan. And again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!